everybody's focus has shifted from immunity building to arranging medical needs. One may not always have a comfortable life and will not always be able to solve all the problems at once. But never underestimate the power of being fit and fine. Hello and welcome to Rabbi Rashi Foundation. We have on our show once again Geeta Seth, nutritionist and dietitian from Jakarta. She is here to again guide us about COVID, pre-COVID, post-COVID, health benefits and how to build your immunity. आपका बहुत-बहुत स्वागत है गीता जी. I would request you to please guide us once again on immunity building before COVID, because that is the need of the hour.
Let us all understand that we should always give a big span of attention to our health, which some of us give, some of us don't give. It's like an investment, the more you invest yourself, the safer you are. And now with this COVID, with this pandemic, it has been proved that yes, people who were taking care of their health are better off than those people who were not. But now sailing through this tough time with a bad nutritional background is becoming difficult. So how we are taught from childhood that you should eat certain vitamins, certain minerals for good health, this is now coming of use totally. We have been telling many types of home remedies, from lemon to some kadhas to some turmeric to some everything, Yes, these are very good for your congestion, for your nasal blockage, for anything which you have. If you have phlegm inside your body, this clears our system. But none of them have been really proved that this can, prevent COVID.
For example, somebody is in home isolation and the family is under COVID restrictions also. What is the best way through food they can build their immunity at home?
The only vitamin which has been proved to help in COVID is vitamin C. This is a very important vitamin. I mean, people say that yes, this vitamin, that vitamin, everything prevents. Yes, every vitamin has a role of its own when it comes to immunity. But this is very true that you cannot do without vitamin C at all. So we must take at least 2 to 3 cups of vitamin-rich foods. Now, what are they? All the fruits which are available, like oranges, cantaloupes, apples, everything which has got vitamin C is a very important thing. Indian gooseberry is like the goddess of vitamin C. If amla is available throughout the year, it's a very nice idea. Taking amla in the form of juice or having 2 amlas a day are going to really help in COVID. This is a very helpful thing. If nothing, you can have 2 to 3 glasses of lemon juice. You can have 2 to 3 oranges. And if nothing else, then you get these supplements, which is called vitamin C 1000. It has got 1000 strength. This can be taken twice a day on the bottom line. This really helps. Another vitamin which helps is another mineral is zinc. Zinc has also already been proved that it's great for immunity. So the direct way is to have zinc supplement, fine. But if you can't, the best is that you should have all seeds and nuts. Recently, I had broadcasted about seeds and nuts to be taken every day with your breakfast, along with cacao powder and maca powder. This is extremely nutritious and immunity building.
Now coming to the third stage, when you have recovered from COVID, how can one fight fatigue with food?
They really become weak because the body has been fighting for last so many days with this COVID thing. Eat clean food, stay in isolation for a while, still more, because you are a carrier and you can be a threat to your family and friends. And yes, you must not miss a single meal, breakfast, lunch, dinner, along with small snacking the whole day. At this time, we don't care whether I'm overeating or undereating. Correct eating is very important, which has got all the nutritions. So post-COVID, I would suggest to eat clean, healthy, and yes, definitely some breathing exercises. Why do they help us? Because they detox our system. Good nutrition, there is a good selectivation. So the cells are activated and the signaling to other cells to fight the infection. This happens quite quickly without any delay. At the same time, molecular modification, whatever is required to the body. So good nutrition plays a very important role, if not directly with the COVID, indirectly. To transport all the nutrients in the body, we require good amount of water. So don't forget to drink enough water. The third thing which really helps us in immunity is good sleep. It's very simple to say that you should sleep well, but actually sleeping well, 7 to 8 hours, has become an important thing when it comes to your immunity.
Time to look after yourselves. Optimism means better than reality. Pessimism means worse than reality. Look after yourselves and get well soon, everyone.